15 of Europe's most beautiful locations. Český Krumlov, Czech Republic. Český Krumlov, the most picture-perfect tiny town in the Czech Republic, is as lovely as they come. Although being only a 2-hour drive, or 3-hour train ride from busy Prague, Český Krumlov, which was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1992, can make you feel like you've traveled to a different world. Spend the night there, and explore the charming cobblestone streets to discover for yourself why Český Krumlov is so unique. The Dolomites, Italy. The Dolomites are an area in northern Italy that is made up of craggy peaks and sweeping alpine meadows. Italy and Austria are geographically divided by the Dolomites. You will be mesmerized by the Italian Dolomites' stunning and varied terrain at any time of year. Caucasus region, Georgia. Soaring peaks completely dwarf picturesque settlements, making the mountains appear even more majestic. Georgia's Caucasus highlands are peppered with medieval hamlets. A lover of the great outdoors will adore this region of Georgia. The Aran Islands, Ireland. The Aran Islands are a wonderful untapped treasure that have largely gone unnoticed. Few visitors who tour the Emerald Island make it here. This little archipelago is made up of 3 islands, and the only means to get there are via ferry or private boat. Budapest, Hungary. Budapest is a beautiful city that offers everything. The city's mystifying characteristics are limitless, and are divided into the 2 separate areas of Buda and Pest. Most of the city's most prominent and beautiful architectural elements are churches, with tall spires and intricately tiled roofs. To see the breathtaking St. Stephen's Basilica and Fisherman's Bastion, as well as expansive vistas of the Danube accented by the reflection of the Hungarian Parliament building, climb Castle Hill. Bled, Slovenia. The little town of Bled is tucked away in an alpine valley, in Slovenia's Julian Mountains. Both visitors and locals flock to this location to see the pilgrimage church of the Assumption of Mary, which stands stoically in the middle of the lake, and the medieval Bled Castle. In the summer, Lake Bled is a popular spot for swimming and boating. In the winter, it is a sight to behold with distant mountains covered with snow. The Azores, Portugal. The Azores, located 1,000 miles to the west of Portugal's coast, are a flurry of craggy coastlines, verdant hills, and dormant volcanoes. 9 islands make up this archipelago, and 3 of them have been designated as UNESCO biospheres, demonstrating how naturally diverse these islands are. Menorca, Spain. Menorca is a gem, and is probably the least well-known of the 3 major Balearic Islands. The area is covered in green rolling hills, old stone fences, and beautiful beaches tucked away in bays with pine and olive trees. Menorca is the most quiet and relaxed of Spain's well-liked Balearic Islands. West Fjords, Iceland. Iceland's West Fjords region is home to magnificent waterfalls, meandering roads with commanding vistas, and natural hot springs. Even in the height of summer, the West Fjords, the most isolated region of Iceland, has vacant roads and calm villages, a rarity in a nation as adored and well known as Iceland. Crete, Greece. The largest of all Greek islands, and the birthplace of Zeus, Crete, is located 160 kilometers south of the Greek mainland. The island of Heroes is one of the best places to visit, because it offers everything for everyone. Many poems and musical compositions that praise the beauty of the island have been inspired by the island's ancient Greek ruins, boundless beaches, vibrant cities, and untamed landscapes. Mont Saint-Michel, France. Mont Saint-Michel, located atop a tidal island in the English Channel, not only has a fairy tale-like appearance, but also a rich folkloric history. According to a legend, the Archangel Saint Michael asked a local bishop to establish a monastery on the island of Mont Tombé 3 times in a dream. Mont Tombé was the original name of Mont Saint-Michel. Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland. Lauterbrunnen is heavenly, located in a valley with jaw-dropping waterfalls, produced by glacier runoff. Staubach Falls, one of the highest free-falling waterfalls in Europe, is located in Lauterbrunnen, one of the greatest natural preserves in all of Switzerland. Lauterbrunnen's name literally translates as many fountains. Lapland, Finland. Lapland is stunning at any time of year, but it is at its most stunning during the dead of winter. In time with the glittering stars, the northern lights dance overhead, and regular snowstorms give way to frosty, seemingly alien landscapes. Cotswolds, England. The Cotswolds, an 800-square-mile region with thousands of sheep and rolling grassy hills, are well known for a reason. King Cod's land is covered in dense forests, Thatched medieval villages made of the recognizable pale yellow Cotswold stone, and other natural features. The Isle of Skye, Scotland. The Isle of Skye, the largest and most northern island in the Inner Hebrides archipelago, is the epitome of what makes Scotland seem so exotic. Its magical appeal is enhanced by misty lochs, grazing Highland cows, and the pervasive smell of peat in the air. Due to the persistently dense fog that frequently engulfs these islands, the Isle of Skye was given the Gaelic name, Island of Mist. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to our channel.